Today I must recommend this cleaning machine to you all. It's incredibly easy to operate, saves water and electricity, and operates quietly, almost like opening a refrigerator. Even the elderly and children in the family can use it effortlessly. The exterior design is top-notch, exuding an air of sophistication with its matte finish and sleek lines. Cleaning it is a breeze, making it a dream come true for detail-oriented folks. Glasses wearers out there, you know how tough it is to clean frames and lenses. But with this device, thanks to its high-frequency vibration and omnidirectional water flow, your glasses will come out looking brand new.